Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Are you ready to make mushroom risotto? कैसे हैं आप लोग? What's the time, Sonia? Today, आज कैमरा में Sonia is back, मेरी बेटी, because now we are back in lockdown, almost lockdown. Schools and colleges are closed, restaurants are closed. We are back in the house. बहुत restrictions लगाए because कोरोना के numbers बहुत ज़्यादा हो गए across the globe, मगर Michigan में especially it's like much worse than it was March, April में. So we're going to like hunker down few weeks, cook, eat, just spend time with the family. I hope you guys are doing the same, yeah? And mask up. So are we ready, Sunny? Do you have enough people?
We have like 100 people.
Okay, perfect, perfect. So आज हम एक Italian dish बना रहे हैं फिर से. It is like I don't know. I think I like Italian recipes and I convert them ताकि वो easy भी हो हमारे देसी taste को compliment भी करे. So I hope you like this recipe. It's mushroom risotto. So risotto क्या है? Risotto is actually an Italian rice. It's flat. It's like that. तो northern Italy में ये चावल है. तो when you think about it, चावल, गेहूं, you know, पूरे world में जो भी grains हैं, we have all learned to cook it our own way, add our own local flavors and taste to it. So we are going to make literally Italian rice today. Okay, so this is arborito rice. It's flat, बहुत starchy होता है. So when we cook it, it'll become creamy, soft, and it has its distinct flavor. और अगर आपको ये चावल नहीं मिले, right, because it's an Italian rice and it is COVID times, पता नहीं, तो फिर these are the options. हमारा good old basmati चावल, that's a really good option. In fact, I think it is healthier because इसका glycemic index is lower, मगर इसमें starch कम होता है as compared to the arborito rice. So आपको थोड़ा ज़्यादा उसमें cream डालना पड़ेगा, you know, just to make it that fluid consistency. So yes, we have, अगर Italian चावल नहीं है तो हमारा देसी basmati works just as good. Or another option is jasmine rice. So I like jasmine rice because इनके grains थोड़े like, you know, are thicker, softer, and you can actually control the size of it when it's cooked. Again, you may have to use a little bit more milk or cream to it. So other than that, we are good, any of these rices, but I'm going to use the arborito, which is an Italian rice, to make our mushroom risotto. So mushrooms, you can use any mushroom, whatever you have available. I'm using the shiitake mushroom. See, look at that. It's so cool. I'm going to be using them. मैंने उनको clean करके, slice करके रखा हुआ है. I'll come back to that. But before we move on, I wanted to show you, like, people are confused about the mushrooms को साफ कैसे करते हो. So the best way is मैंने ये कपड़े को थोड़ा moist किया हुआ है, and you just rub it clean like that. Because if you want your mushrooms to be nice and crisp, they have to be dry. And once you wash them पानी के अंदर, they'll never be dry. So it'll still taste good, but it'll be a little, you know, a little moist. So इसको dry रखने के लिए you just wipe it off and then you pinch the stem off, right? So then it is ready for us to slice. And I see how soft and literally is. If I have to describe this feeling, it's almost a fleshy feeling. It's a very good substitute अगर आप vegetarian हो और meat नहीं खाना चाहते हो and your recipe. As for me, this is a great substitute. So okay, so first I'm going to turn my burner on. So now you're going to come this side. We just go over the ingredients. So आज for Amul we're going to use Amul ghee, oil, and Amul butter and Amul fresh cream. This is about 1/4 cup. मैंने recipe description में डाल दिया है. Louder. मैंने description में डाल दिया है. So you know. So मेरे recipe में मैंने 1 cup लिखा है. This is about 1/2 cup because that's going to be enough for us. So we have the rice, chopped garlic. ये मैं बंद कर देती हूँ, बहुत गर्म हो जाएगा. Chopped garlic, chopped onions, sliced mushrooms, and of course our fresh cream. और ये grated Parmesan cheese है, yeah, grated cheese, and I have vegetable broth. So आप कोई भी vegetable broth use कर सकते हैं. You know, this is the onion, carrot, mushroom, celery vegetable broth, but you can use any of that. You can just use mushroom broth. थोड़े mushroom पानी में उबाल दो and reduce it so you know you have the flavor. But any broth is fine. I have some parsley जो मैंने garnish के लिए रखे हैं, and arugula. When we finish, I'll come to that. ठीक है? Other than that, I think we have it all. So first, I'm going to put this broth in my pot, और इसको हम एक उबाल लाएंगे. I'm going to mix this. That was 2 cups for my half cup rice, and I'm going to put another half a cup of water. And इसको उबाल आने के बाद हम सिमर पे रखेंगे. So the goal is to keep this broth really hot. तो जब हम risotto चावल में उसे मिलाएंगे तो it will cook, not stop cooking. आप ठंडा broth डालेंगे तो वो cook होगा, बंद हो जाएगा cook. So we have to keep it hot so the process of cooking continues. So while that boils, I'm going to get to my mushrooms. How is everyone doing? Can you guys hear me? Yeah? Alright. ठीक है, तो so take a pan and put a little bit of ghee. I like to use the ghee because it gives it that nutty flavor. It just makes everything so much richer. I like it. तो ये जो हमने about 3-4 cloves of garlic में से 1 चम्मच मैंने इसमें डाल दिया. Saute it for just a minute or 2. This is a very easy recipe, okay? And I always modify any recipe to my taste, my family's taste. So आप इसमें at this point, oh wow, that was quick. मैंने अपने mushrooms डाल दिए सारे, and I'm going to just saute it a little so that it becomes a little brown, softens a little. I like them crisp. So yeah, the regular mushroom Italian recipe doesn't call for it. मगर आपको अगर चाहिए तो थोड़ा सा लाल मिर्च, काली मिर्च, whatever you like, इस पे आप डाल दीजिए. My stove is hot, so I picked up my pan. Okay, so this is a good time to put some salt, just a little, and this is my home ground black pepper. So मैं काली मिर्च को थोड़ा सा रोस्ट करके ना I grind it myself ताकि थोड़े so I get the consistency that I like. That's it. It's fresh brown pepper, salt. You just cook the mushrooms till it becomes a little soft, a little crisp. It's smoky. There you go. See how, you know, I wish you guys could smell this earthy smell in the kitchen. It smells so good, and the garlic is blending really well with the shiitake mushrooms. And if you were to just eat this, it's great. आप salad पे डाल लीजिए, रोटी में roll कर लीजिए. It's just perfect as it is. अभी तक मेरा broth boiling हुआ, so I'm going to let it cook a couple more minutes. Literally, this is done. Oh, I should have put these also in. Maybe later. This is lovely. अब मैं इसको बंद कर दूंगी. And I'm going to just set it aside. We don't need this. We don't need this now. See how lovely it looks. It's ready to eat. Okay? 2 minutes lagi, right? Okay, my broth is going to come to a boil. I'm going to bring my pan. And we're going to start with the risotto. So isn't it crazy how जैसे हम लोग सब लोग different तरीके से अपने वही चावल, दाल, grains पकाते हैं. Oh, another option for risotto, अगर आपको चावल नहीं use करना है, you're on a low cal diet, quinoa. Quinoa is a very good option. आप similar same way में आप पकाएंगे, मगर you'll use quinoa. So that is a good source of protein, very less starch, very less carb. It's a good option. So these are your options. Are you ready? Okay. So another chamuch. I'm going to use ghee. I think it just is so divine. थोड़ा सा इसमें I'm just going to add some butter. So by the way, यहाँ पर अमेरिका में कल Thanksgiving है. So Thanksgiving is an American holiday जो about 300-400 साल पहले से, you know when the new people came into America and they became friends with the Native Americans, they started this tradition where they would get together and eat dinner together, right? So this has become an American tradition. अच्छी बात ये है कि सबको छुट्टी होती है. The kids come home like they have. So that's what we are doing tomorrow. Okay, so we're going to put the rest of our garlic. Any questions for me so far? Everyone's doing well? 11 बज रहे हैं इंडिया में, right? This is going to be our lunch. So, alright. Now, the chopped onions. So, Italian cooking may be like garlic, onion, tomato, it's all basically just like how we cook. And maybe that's why we like it. It's so close to our comfort food. So, इसको आप ठीक से पका लीजिए so that it becomes soft. It doesn't have to become brown. Is my broth boiling? It's coming to a boil. So इसको हमने simmer पे रख दिया है. Yeah, so everyone's home. My husband, both my girls. So this is a good festive atmosphere. कल हम बहुत खाना बनाएंगे. We make the pumpkin pie and many other things. I'll post a picture. Please follow me on Instagram, Smita's Urban Kitchen, for glimpses of all my different recipes, my life, my thoughts. So I would love to know you guys better too. So please follow me. All right, how does that look? The onions are coming along very well. It's almost musical. See the stirring. So the key to making creamy risotto is to keep stirring. आपको stir करते रहना. You have to multitask and keep stirring, because when you stir it, the starch from the rice keeps coming out very smoothly and makes it creamy and smooth. Okay, I think this is a good time. I'm going to add my rice. Again, I'm using only half cup right now because we don't need more than that. अभी इसे हम toast करेंगे.
Someone asked, when you're cleaning the mushrooms, do you need to remove the outer skin?
No. Just either take a soft brush or या फिर मैंने ये मलमल का कपड़ा use किया है and I have just made it wet, and with a firm hand just wipe it clean. Alright, I'm going to toast it because the more you toast it, the more flavor, the nutty flavor comes out, and also it cooks faster. Alright, while this is toasting, मैं अपना broth नहीं लेकर आऊँगी. So yeah, see the broth is like steaming hot, and another key to making risotto is to put small amounts of the broth, and you have to keep stirring, stir to take it in.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, Smita's Urban Kitchen. So I have YouTube and the Instagram and Facebook, but I am on TikTok now. Very, very new. एक हफ्ते पहले I started with, but I'm enjoying TikTok. See, you pour the hot broth in, little bit at a time, and then you have to stir. You have to stir, and you have to keep this mixture hot. So while you stir, is when all the starch and the creaminess and the flavor of the rice comes out. तो आप उसको ना मिलाते घुमाते रहिए अपना चम्मच करछी in it, ठीक है? And when this water, the broth is all soaked up, we're gonna add more. तो ये broth को गर्म होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, because अगर वो ठंडा हो जाएगा तो पकेगा नहीं. It will kind of slow the cooking process. It smells good. I wish you guys could smell it. आप जब बनाएंगे, tag me, okay? Please tag me, because I love to see लोग मेरे recipes use कर रहे हैं, enjoy कर रहे हैं. नहीं तो फायदा क्या है, right? Of cooking and sharing the recipe. We want to see how you use it.
You have very nice manan and isha here.
Oh. There you go. You keep stirring, stir, stir, stir. I'm going to just increase the heat a little. So yeah, so we Diwali ho gaya, tomorrow's Thanksgiving, then Christmas and New Year's. Hopefully we'll say goodbye to 2020. Main goal is to be healthy this year, okay people? Wash your hands, mask up, eat healthy, rest a lot. Okay, time to put more broth. So ये जो चावल है अभी धीरे धीरे पक रहा है, and the starch from the चावल is coming out very very well. So see, so this is different, right? जैसे इटली में लोग धीरे धीरे अपना broth डालते हैं, उसको पकाते हैं, हम उसको धो के पानी डाल देते हैं. It's just a different way. I think we want a different result. जब हम पुलाव बनाते हैं या चावल बनाते हैं, we want our grains to be long and separate and beautiful, and they like it creamy. So that's the difference. So risotto is served in very very nice upscale restaurants. If you see like risotto on the menu, then you know it's a good restaurant. So you guys are learning a good skill today.
So what's in the broth?
This is a vegetable broth, so made with onions, celery, carrots, garlic. उनको उबाल दो in lots of water for 30-40 minutes, and then drain all the vegetables out, and you have your vegetable stock. You could add some mushrooms in this just because you're making mushroom risotto. It's up to you. Just a little bit of flavored. See how it, and it's getting stickier. I'm just going to pour a little bit more. So the thing about making risotto is just this. It's time consuming कि आप लगे हैं. You know, you cannot leave the pot, and you have to keep putting a little bit, keep stirring, so it becomes creamy. So that is a catch to it. You are kind of attached to your stove 15-20 minutes के लिए. I like the color and I like the flavor, and see the grains are kind of becoming thicker and letting out this nice starch. So risotto is supposed to be creamy. It's supposed to be fluid. जैसे आप पैन से निकाल के बोल में डालेंगे, प्लेट में सर्व करेंगे, it has to be fluid, not lumpy or clumpy. ठीक है? अगर आप clumpy किसी ने आपको risotto दिया तो फिर not made right. It has to be fluid. So yeah, the process keeps going and going till all our broth has been used. And also the grain, जैसे हम चावल, like जैसे jasmine rice बनाते हैं, it becomes very soft. But Italian pasta हो या rice, it is al dente. Al dente is like, you know, जब खा रहे हो तो there is a bite to it, like it's not completely soft. And apparently, जो glycemic index होता है, like when you keep things al dente, यानी a little bite to it, then the digestion is a different process. So then we wonder, अरे इतना carb खाते हैं, इतना ये खाते हैं, फिर भी ऐसे दिखते हैं. That's because they eat it and cook it the right way. There you go. It's coming along well. I think my kids are waiting for their risotto lunch. So yeah, what would you serve with it, right? So usually risotto is complete by itself with the vegetables. People put peas in it also. So अगर आप मैं आज mushroom डाल रही हूँ, आप peas भी डाल सकते हैं. But what is really good with it is something crunchy. जैसे you know what, वो अमूल के दही कबाब. I think I have it in the freezer. I didn't pull it out, but I would make that and serve it on the side. Just something crunchy. या फिर जैसे एक vegetable cutlet रख दिया, या अगर आप non-veg खाते हैं तो you can make any grilled something with it. It just adds to it. Okay, we are almost there, guys. Almost there. So that's the thing about it. You have to have patience. You have to love what you're making. Keep going. It smells good, and you know I like the way it's all coming together. So yeah, you could use the basmati chawal. So at this point, the basmati chawal, if you had used the basmati chawal instead of the arboreto, it would probably be slightly drier. So you would have to put more broth, more cream. Okay, I'm gonna finish my broth. Perfect. Put that aside. Okay, this will be a good time to add some seasoning, right? So some salt, आपके taste के हिसाब से, some pepper. Alright, and then I'm going to slowly add my cream. Smells good. Smells so good. Right, so just going to add my cream. So yeah, you can add any vegetables to this. Just make it your way. Change it to how you like it. So I just have to wait for the rice to absorb all this moisture and release all the starch.
Do you want to give a very short recap of the rice and the broth and the
Yes.
mushrooms?
So we used shiitake mushrooms, which looked like that. We cleaned it, took off the stem, and sliced them thin, just like so. I just lost a piece. And then, you know, to make risotto, I'm using the Italian arboreto rice, which is an Italian rice, flat, short grain, very starchy. And that's what gives the risotto the creaminess. We're almost coming to an end. If you don't have the arboreto rice, use your basmati or jasmine rice, but you'll have to use more cream. Abhi maine about 1/4 cup cream dala hai. You may have to use a little bit more. Okay, now it's coming together. It looks really great. So I have just salt and black pepper in it, and I'm going to use Parmesan cheese, grated Parmigiano. There you go. Oh, that was a big lump. So that's going to make it salty, nutty, very very rich. अभी मैं इसको बंद कर देता हूँ, नहीं तो बहुत dry हो जाएगा. Then I'll have to put more cream in. This is a perfect consistency. How are we doing with time, guys? Not bad. Not bad. So if you were to touch the grain, it is soft, but it still has a bite to it. It's not mushy. Okay? Keep it like that, and then the mushrooms. The mushrooms which we had sauteed with garlic, I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna just keep a few for garnish. Mix it in. You know, तो ये mushroom का जो earthy flavor is kind of mixing into the cream and the starch of the risotto. It looks so good. All right, I'm gonna plate this now. It's ready. So you can just take the bowl. So see, the risotto has to actually fall into. One second, huh? Made a pan now. Thoda bhari hai. See, there you go. Now I got it. It has to fall into your plate, like so. So it's creamy. All right, and then these extra mushrooms, I'm just gonna. All right. Now we come to the arugula. So arugula is like it's a green. It's kind of bite to it, like a peppery taste. So just because this is so mild and creamy, I like to add just a few leaves of arugula right on top. Because they're not so coarsely, just snap it and then add. Beautiful. You have an option of parsley too, it's up to you. You could add some more butter or Parmesan cheese, fresh Parmesan cheese just grated on top. So now you feel like you're in a really fancy restaurant in New York. I don't know, अभी तो बैठ के imagine ही करना है यहाँ वहाँ, कहीं नहीं जा सकते. So that's it. So you are gonna bring Italy home, just like that. Yeah. I hope you like the recipe. Please follow me on Instagram, Smita's Urban Kitchen, on YouTube or Facebook. Join our group. It's called For the Love of Food. Join us so you can see all other recipes, all the great chefs from all over जो अपने recipe share करते हैं. And please make this, tag me, and goodbye. Here, I'm gonna put it right there. That's my Italian setting. All right, ciao, Bella. We'll see you soon. Take care and be good.